This AI image enhancer actually enhances your photos without making them look fake or unreal. The problem with most AI enhancers is that they often just make the images overly smooth, animated, and therefore fake. A tool like that won't help you in any way. A real enhancer should amplify details like hair, skin, eyebrows, and enhance colors. The goal is for the image to stay real, but get a higher quality out of it. The Auto Enhancer tool in the UniConverter does exactly that, with a simple one-click use and fast immediate processing time. Let me show you how it works. First, be sure to download the UniConverter if you don't have it yet. Grab it from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Once you have it open, click on the Image Enhancer AI tool. This tool can process images in a batch, which can save you a bunch of time when working on several images. So the next step is to import those that you'd like to enhance. I'll import these portraits here. Next, you have to choose from the functions here on the right side. The Auto Enhancer is usually turned on by default, and that is exactly what we're going to use as well. Here you can choose from these two options. I will go with Detailed AI. And now we only have two steps left: choosing an output folder and obviously exporting them. Once the process is finished, we'll get the results. Here they are. As you can see, the originals were slightly pixelated, flat in colors and not very sharp. These new ones, on the other hand, are looking detailed and colorful, and most importantly, real. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.